Hello! Today is unboxing and booting day because we use this old laptop for video editing and it is only 4 GB and very painful and quite slow actually. So we upgraded for that reason to a new computer systems, which we bought a new desktop and monitor. And so join me in unboxing these goodies. This is actually quite nice. And this is an HP or Hewlett-Packard Omen. This is, look at the logo. And it looks nice. It has this clear glass that you can even see the whole system there. The systems are working. And by the way, this is not like the perfect in the market, but it's good enough, we believe, for video editing. Because the following specifications for this is it has Intel Core i5 processor, 16 GB RAM memory, 256 SSD, and 1 Tera HDD hard disks, and the GeForce RTX 2060 6 GB graphic card. Hopefully it works well with the vlogs and everything. So first part of unboxing is done with the CPU. Let's proceed with the HP display. This is a 27 inches with audio HP monitor. So this is it. It's quite nice actually. It's quite slim, grayish color with white in the background. And it comes with the base inside here, some cables, power cables, charger. And again, some parts of it has a nice, stylish, slim design for the stand. Quite cool, slim. So unboxing done. Display and CPU, we're both out now. And we will see if the connectors are working. So we will try and set it up and see that what happens. So setup is done. It was actually quite easy and very easy setup and all that. And now the moment for turning the computer on. I mean the desktop. Now setup is done. Move this. Let's turn it on. So you have to actually select the language, Deutsch or English, of course English. Yes. So keyboard German, because we bought it in the German online media mart. Do you want to add a second keyboard layout? Skip. Could do that later. Let's connect you to a network. Connect. Let's put the password. So as you can see, everything is set up in the computer, but it is actually very painful. It was like it's been ages since the last time I had a fresh or new computer being set up. And this really takes like so many questions, so many privacy, blah, 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 blah. It's a little bit painful all the way. But at the end of the day, it's very good. It looks like working now. The only thing that we need to do is to install the Pinnacle video editing software. And then of course the antivirus thing. And then hopefully this will all be good. So let's see then. So yes, I managed to install everything. And the video editing is already in. It was actually quite easy. It took a little bit of time, of course, because you need to uninstall. It was easy because you just need to uninstall from the previous laptop and install it to the new computer with the serial number. Everything was good. And so now it is actually installed and can start upgrade video editing. And for that reason, by the way, I'm gonna show you something. It's very, very interesting actually. Just found it out. Ta-da! Look at this. I'll change this, for example, into orange. Put it into 1. Apply. And you see the logo in orange. And then now for the desktop thingy here with the glass, click on 2. And you go have purple, then apply. Cool. And one more trick, please observe. Wow.